This is our manufacturing technology lab and this is PMC vertical machining center. This machine is used by undergraduate and postgraduate students as well as PhD research scholars for their research work as well as subject learning. And currently you can see here one of the major projects of MTech students is currently going on for milling operation.
Mechanical engineering department, we have a facility of DCRF magneto sputtering in surface engineering lab. This setup is partially funded by AICTE under RPS scheme. With the help of this setup, enhance the tribological, wettability and optical property of any material.
Team Ojaswat is a team of 25 young, energetic and enthusiastic students from mechanical and the other departments. These learning graduates are converting their classroom knowledge into real research work by making the cars from the raw material to the final product. And these students are participating in the Formula Students event in every year since last 2011 and 12. These students are got the first rank in the Endurance States and the Go Green Award in the 2013-14 and the third rank in the Endurance States. They got the second rank in the 2015-16 as a runner-up in the Skid Pate event, and they got the second rank in the sales presentation in the Formula Students event in the 2017. And they were the top 25 students in the Formula Bharat 2017.
Engineering department has Center of Excellence to bridge the gap between industry and institute. It is equipped with various instruments like Industry 4.0 Automation Center, Hydraulics and Pneumatics Kit. So students will be able to learn about the hydraulics and pneumatics which is required for the various industries. It is also equipped with various softwares related to hydraulics and pneumatics like FluidSim, Ceros and Step 7.
Department has eFoundry and Materials Processing Laboratory, which are developed with the help of partial funding received under various projects. These projects are funded under Technology System Development Program scheme of DST and Research Promotion scheme of AICTE. Most of the research facility are developed in-house with the help of the research students and local fabricator. The laboratory has the facility to melt the metal, sand casting facility, die casting facility, centrifugal casting facility, investment casting facility, facility to measure the shell permeability, facility to measure the wettability of molten metal. Laboratory has also facility to measure the temperature profile of a mold outer surface with the help of infrared thermal camera. There are facility to measure temperature inside the cavity with the help of the NI thermocouple module. Research students are also using AutoCast and COMSOL multiphysics software to analyze the process and to optimize the process parameters.
Nanofluid is an advanced heat transfer fluid, as the conventional fluid are very low heat transfer performance fluid. So the industry people are more focusing on to developing the advanced heat transfer fluid which gives the higher heat transfer performance. In our lab we are having the facility to develop nanofluid. We are having the probe sonicator for that, as well as to do the characterization of nanofluid. We are having the KD2 Pro thermal analyzer.
not God gifted, it can be learned, it can be taught. For the same, we are offering subject CPI to our 4th semester mechanical engineering students to identify the creative potentials inside them. For the same, different discipline students coming together and they are working on the same problem and identify different innovative solutions. For the same, we are offering some kind of group activities, and to make interaction very effective, we include some innovative videos like TED Talk discussion and all that. Apart from faculties of this course helping students to convert their innovative ideas into the reality.